Who are these people? What are they collecting? Where are they going? Chinese coolies who came to Malaysia were very poor. So they came up with an idea. These are the ingredients they had collected. They were thinking what to do with it. They went to get a stove and some charcoals. Then they preheated the stove. Spices were put into the stove. Added some hot water. Waiting for it to boil. Wondering how does it taste like?
Delicious!
Decided to call this dish the Bak Kut Teh.
Nowadays, people would prefer to eat at Bak Kut Teh restaurants rather than home cooked. And today, Bak Kut Teh is sided with different kinds of dishes. Youtiao, pork leg, bean curd skin, pork tendon, dry Bak Kut Teh, and don't forget the tea. Drinking tea is part of the ritual, and we have several types of tea. Oolong tea, red tea, yellow tea, standard tea, and more. Current Bak Kut Teh restaurants discover many other methods of cooking. They mainly use metal to boil the soup. And this is the dry Bak Kut Teh. Garlic, dried chilies, anchovies, oyster sauce, and soy sauce are the main ingredients to make this dish. Pork legs are being dipped into hot meat bone soup. With variety of spices. This bean curd skin would taste even better when they are cooked in a hot soup. Even though there are some differences in the serving of Bak Kut Teh between the past and the present, they have one thing in common. They are valuing reunion.